Hello students, greetings from International Affairs Department and Student Council of International Higher School of Medicines. We hope you and your family is safe and doing well in this pandemic situation. In this video, we are going to explain the visa extension procedure for the term 2020 to 2021. Before starting the visa extension process, we have an important notice from the Dean Office. All students are requested to clear all their dues before the visa extension process. If students have any kind of dues, they will not get invitation letter from Dean Office. Now, let's see the requirements for the visa extension. The first requirement is passport size photo. Make sure in the photo your both eyes are open, ears are visible, and the background is white. The second requirement is scan copy of passport. Make sure that both the front and back pages of your passport are scanned on the same page. The third requirement is invitation, which is a request letter from the university. For getting invitation letter, all students have to send a mail to the International Affairs Department of IHSM. Email ID of International Affairs Department is shown on the screen, which is international_office@ism.edu.kg. The subject of your mail should be request letter for visa followed by your full name. In the description of mail, students should have to give following details. First, full name. Second, passport number. Third, nationality. And fourth, semester and group number. The fourth requirement is scan copy of contract. The fifth requirement is visa card details. You will need this for making your payments. Now let's see the steps for visa extension. Please open the following website to start the visa extension process. And the website is www.evisa.egov.kg. After opening this website, you will see three options as first, apply for a visa, second, continue your application, and third, check status. You have to select the first option, which is apply for a visa. After selecting this option, you will see the first step on the screen. This step is named as country or trip purpose. In this step, you have to fill your details regarding your purpose of visit to Kyrgyzstan. Here, in first question, you have to select your passport country. In second question, you have to select your passport type. All students have to select first option, ordinary. In third question, you have to select your visa type. All students have to select study visa type. After selecting study type visa, you will get a fourth question. In this question, you have to select second option for students as shown on the screen. After selecting this option, you will see four more options. These four options will confirm about the period for which you are extending a visa. This will also confirm your entries in the Kyrgyzstan. Please select an appropriate option according to your personal wish. For example, if you want to extend your visa for 12 months and you are applying for a single entry visa, then you have to select an option single entry 12 months. After answering these questions, please fill the security code or CAPTCHA in the given box. Click on I agree to the terms and conditions. At the last of this step, click on the next button given on the screen. By this, you will enter to the second step. The second step is named as main data. In this step, you have to fill detailed information about your inviting organization, which is your university, and also your personal details. Firstly, you have to fill the details about your inviting organization, which is your university. All the students are requested to fill the university details as it is as shown on the screen. After filling the details of organization, you have to fill your personal details. Make sure that all your personal details are as same as in the passport. After filling your details, Please fill the security code or CAPTCHA in the box and click on the next button. After clicking on next button, you will receive a mail from a server. The link will be shared with you for next steps through this mail. Note that you will receive the mail on the email address which you provided in the last step for personal details. Open the received link and continue for the process. Now you will enter the third step. Here you have to fill for the additional data which includes contact number. Fill your personal contact number with a country code. Contact information of an inviting body which is displayed on the screen. Place of stay in Kyrgyzstan. Purpose of visit which is study. Planned date of entry which can be any date in the September 2020. Planned date of exit which can be any date in June or July 2021. Have you ever visited in Kyrgyzstan? For the students who are studying in 2nd to 10th semester, have to choose yes. After selecting yes option, they will ask dates of last visit. You have to write last 3 entries in Kyrgyzstan. You can refer Manas airport stamps on your previous visas. The last question will be: has your visa application to the Kyrgyz Republic ever rejected? If yes, please fill your valid reason. After filling all the information, click on the next button to enter the fourth step. This step is named as Photo and Documents. You have to complete all the requested documents. Please make sure your photo is in JPG format and the documents are in PDF format. After uploading all the documents, click on the next button. By this, you will enter into the fifth step. In the fifth step, you don't have to fill anything. This step is just to review your data that you have already filled in the previous steps. Please read it carefully, and if you don't made any mistakes, then click on the next button. After clicking on next button, you will enter the sixth and the last step of the process. You have to make a payment by using your Visa card. Please fill all the details of your Visa card and make the payment. After making the payment, you will receive a confirmation mail from the server. By this, you will successfully complete your visa extension process. If you have any doubts or queries, please do not hesitate to contact any member of Student Council or International Affairs Department. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.